Welcome to Health Neighborhood. Today we will cover the celery juice weight loss. If you've been on Instagram lately, you may have encountered #celery juice. It's the latest detox diet trend to make the rounds across the internet. Thousands are jumping on the celery juice train. Celebrities, influencers, and celery juice converts hail this bright green drink as a miracle drink said to boost the body's ability to heal itself, induce weight loss, give juicers clearer, brighter skin, and kill off harmful bacteria and viruses. But are these claims based on reality, or are the alleged benefits of celery juice grossly overstated? What is the celery juice diet? The celery juice detox diet involves gulping down anywhere from 12 to 20 ounces or more of freshly prepared, undiluted celery juice in the morning. Followers of the diet say to get the most out of it, it's best to drink it on an empty stomach and wait about half an hour before eating or drinking anything else. Celery's nutritional content is extremely healthy. It's full of antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, boasts a high fiber content, and is very low on the glycemic index. This humble vegetable is nutrient-dense while being low-calorie. It's loaded with vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, potassium, vitamin C, manganese, and more. Do juice fasts and detox diets work? Detox diets are always popping up. The thing is, there's no evidence to support the claims that detoxes, fasting and cleanses actually work or are even safe in the long term. The human body is an amazing thing. It naturally rids itself of toxins. Detox is essentially a marketing term used to tap into the widespread desire for quick solutions. Is juicing healthy? Juicing can be a good addition to a normal diet and a way to boost your daily nutrient intake. However, there's no doubt that eating whole fruits and vegetables is better for you all around. There are plenty of nutrients found in skins, stems, and so on. Piling fresh, whole fruits and vegetables onto your plate is a more effective way to get fiber. There is no fat in celery or in celery juice. Even if your celery juice is made commercially with other ingredients, it is not likely that you'll get fat from drinking the beverage, as most fruits and vegetables that are combined with celery contain 0 grams of fat. There may be up to 2 grams of protein in a single serving of celery juice made at home or made commercially. Why celery juice? Celery juice is being credited with a ton of health benefits and is being hailed as a superfood. So what are these benefits? We look to the ever-so-handy juicing companion for guidance. Here are some amazing benefits of drinking celery juice. It reduces acidity, it's anti-inflammatory, prevents asthma, lowers blood pressure, prevents some forms of cancer, lowers cholesterol, improves kidney function, improves the nervous system, prevents osteoarthritis, prevents rheumatoid arthritis, prevents tumor growth, prevents urinary stones, and promotes weight loss. Wow, that's a long list, and we have read and people are seeing even more benefits, including healing skin issues and alkalizing the body. You can see why this juice is being put on a pedestal. But are you still wondering if celery juice can help us lose weight? The truth is that there is no single thing that is going to make us lose weight. Weight loss results from a combination of healthy habits, consistently making healthy choices and living a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Many people have lost anywhere between 5 to 8 pounds within their first 10 days on this diet. Try it for yourself and see. Thank you for joining us today. Share your comments below. Please subscribe to our channel and smash the like button. We'll see you on the next video.